everyone, welcome to Cosplay Club. I've heard that this cosplay, specifically the Naruto headband, has been really popular, so I decided to do a remake video just with an updated instructions. So here are your materials that you should have in your bag. You should have your cloth strip, which should have 6 holes in there. So I put the holes into the cloth strip so it'll be easier for you guys to push your brads in through and secure it much easier. So we have our cloth strip, our aluminum strip, and you should have 6 brads. Now the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to make the Hidden Leaf Village symbol. So how to do that is you first make a swirl, as you see there, add a little dash at the top, and add a triangle at the bottom. Now that that's finished, we're next going to put our brads into the aluminum strip that we have. So take one of your silver brads, you're going to push it just straight through the strip. And there are holes in your aluminum strip already created, so it makes this process a lot easier. So you're going to do the same thing for all 6 of your brads, so they all should be pinned into the aluminum strip. Alright, now that that is finished, this is what it should look like once you have all your brads in your strip. And that is what the back should look like. Next, we're going to push our aluminum brads into the cloth piece. So it's going to go through the aluminum strip and through the cloth. So you're going to push it into the holes that are already in the cloth strip. And we're going to next secure each brad into the strip. Done. So once you have your brads securely into the strip, you're going to split them apart, as you see there. Push the pin down, and that keeps them in place. So you're going to do that for all 6 of your brads. And once you're finished, that's what it should look like. Thanks you guys for coming, and hopefully I see you again for our next class.